Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aspire MBA Exam Mentor. So in this video I'm going to talk about the slot 3 of CAT 2020. So let's start. So here's the section wise breakup of the number of questions asked in each section. So VARC had 26 questions, DILR had 24, Quant had 26 questions, and the total number of questions asked were 76, like the previous two slots earlier, which happened today. So let's talk about the VARC section. So there were total 4 RC passages, and in that 2 RC passages had 5 questions each, and 2 RC passages had 4 questions each. So the total number of questions asked from RCs were 18 out of 26, which is the case almost every year, which is approximately 70% of the questions asked in this section comes from RC. So now let's talk about the RC passages. So 4 RC passages were asked, which I remember are: the first one was talking about human nature, the second RC was talking about the screen exposure, the third was related to travel writing, and the fourth was related to the economic crisis. So all these 4 RCs were from moderate to difficult, so you can't say that they were very easy. A lot of comprehension was needed to answer the questions. And now we come to the verbal ability part of this section. So there were 3 questions where you had to arrange the sentences to form a coherent paragraph. So 3 questions were asked. 3 questions were related to the summary. Summary, you have to that explain the essence of the passage. So 3 questions were related to this, and the last 2 questions were of odd statement, that 5 statements were given, out of which you have to select the one statement which was odd. So 2 questions were asked from that topic, and overall 5 non MCQ questions were asked in this section of VRC. Now we talk about the DILR section. So DILR has always been the most difficult section of CAT. Now all over the years, candidates find it extremely tough, and today also that was the case. The sets were not at all easy. So there were 5 sets asked today, 2 sets of 6 questions each, and there were 3 sets of 4 questions each, and total there were 6 non MCQ questions asked. So the set 1 was related to the game, in which there were 4 participants, there were 6 rounds, and they had to bid high low. It had 6 questions. The second set was related to blood test, where there were 16 patients, 8 vials, and you have to answer the questions. So there were 4 questions. The third was talking about the grocery business. It had 4 questions. The set 4 was related to the school survey. It had 4 questions. And the last was the rectangular plot one, which had 6 questions. So total there were 5 sets, and it was not an easy section. It was a difficult section. So candidates found it difficult, this section in slot 3. So the quant section was better. You can say that it was the easiest of all the 3 sections, if you compare the 3 sections. So questions were asked from these topics: time, speed, distance, time and work, mixtures, average, logarithm, functions, interest, numbers, percentage. Then there was one question which was based on ages, mensuration, functions, coordinate geometry, quadratic equation, and there were 8 non MCQ questions were asked. Even if you get your answer wrong, you are not losing your marks. So out of 26, 8 questions were non MCQ questions. So I hope you must have attempted these 8 non MCQ questions. So now we look at the overall difficulty. We would look at the section wise as well as the overall. So VARC was a difficult section. The language was not that easy. Of the RC passages, a lot of comprehension was needed. which and that is why the students found it difficult. But this is the level of cat, like we always know, as compared to other entrance exams. Now we talk about the DILR. It was difficult, no doubt in that. And now we come to the quant. If you compare the other two, compare quant with the other two sections, obviously it was easy than the rest two, but it was moderate. It had few sitters, but it also had few questions of medium difficulty and few were difficult. So the overall difficulty level of quant was moderate. And if you look at the overall paper today of cat for the slot 3, it was difficult. So now you all must be thinking like that what's next. So don't worry, the exam season has just started. There are a lot of exams coming in the next 3 to 4 months. So prepare for upcoming exams rather than thinking too much that what did I do bad or what did I do good. So forget that. Now you can focus on the upcoming exams, that is SNAP, ZAT, IIFT, CMAT, CET. So if you haven't registered for these exams, register as soon as possible so that you avoid the last minute glitches. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Like if you look at my Instagram and Facebook, I keep posting all the important questions and the questions asked from previous years. So this would definitely help you to get the sufficient practice. And last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And I would also like to know that how did your exam go today. So don't forget to post your reviews of exam in the comment section, be it slot 1, slot 2 or slot 3. I would like to hear from you. Thank you.